Masicka, the new king of dancehall, rising to global stardom. In today's video, we dive into the phenomenal rise of Jamaica's newest dancehall sensation, Masicka. This multi-talented DJ, singer, and songwriter is taking the music scene by storm with his unique style and electrifying performances. Masicka's journey from the streets of Independence City, Portmore, to the global stage is nothing short of inspiring. Known for his lyrically insane flow and unmatched swagger, he's already making waves with hit singles like EGUH Had and Done, G.E. Whistling Clean, G. Andy Lose Control. These tracks are not just dominating local airwaves on stations like Zip 103, Hits 92, and Fame FM, but are also getting heavy rotation on international reggae and dancehall radio shows. In this video, we'll explore Masicka's early beginnings, his collaborations with top-tier producers like Equinox Music, and the special bond he shares with One Motion Music, the production house that has been with him since day one. We'll also take a sneak peek into his highly anticipated music video produced by SF Films, which promises to take both local and international scenes by storm. Join us as we uncover the story behind Masicka's meteoric rise, his relentless work ethic, and what sets him apart in the tightly knit dancehall community. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to his music, this is one journey you don't want to miss. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more exclusive content on your favorite artists. Emerging from the heart of Jamaica's vibrant dancehall scene, Masicka is a force to be reckoned with, a multi-talented DJ, singer, and songwriter poised to break into the upper echelons of the genre. With a unique style that's impossible to ignore, Masicka is gearing up to make a significant impact on the global stage. His electrifying new singles like EGUH Had and Done, G.E. Whistling Clean, G. Andy Lose Control are dominating the airwaves on local stations such as Zip 103, Hits 92, and Fame FM, as well as catching the attention of international audiences on major reggae and dancehall radio shows in the US and UK. This surge in airplay marks another milestone in Masicka's burgeoning career, bringing immense pride to him and his team at One Motion Music. Over the past year, Masicka has collaborated with an impressive roster of dancehall producers, cementing his place as a rising star. He's worked with the likes of Equinox Music, renowned for their influential rhythms both locally and abroad, Icon, a notable producer for artists like Ding Dong, and McConan, known for his collaborations with Andrew and Wadablood of the One Blood family. Other key collaborators include G3 Music, TJ Records, and Crash Dummy Productions, the masterminds behind Masicka's hit single EGUH Had and Done. Despite these numerous collaborations, Masicka maintains a special bond with One Motion Music, the production house that has been with him from the start and produced some of his biggest hits, including E Whistling Clean and Andy Lose Control. One Motion Music's unwavering support is evident in their latest project, the production of Masicka's first music video by SF Films. This highly anticipated video promises to captivate both local and international audiences, further solidifying Masicka's place in the dancehall pantheon. Masicka's journey began in the streets of Independence City, Portmore, affectionately dubbed a Sin City. His early days were spent honing his craft in local talent shows and competitions, where his lyrically insane flow set him apart. His time at Calabar High School was pivotal. There, he earned the nickname J the Future, J for his advanced wordplay and lyrical prowess. This prestigious institution, known for producing talents like Vybz Kartel, witnessed Masicka's rise as he outshined his peers, building a reputation that suggested he was destined to dominate the dancehall scene. A turning point came when Masicka was introduced to Leon Kabaj Brown, a producer with a track record of working with heavyweights like Bounty Killer and Mavado. Kaba, alongside Addis Pablo, the son of reggae legend Augustus Pablo, became instrumental in shaping Masicka's raw talent. Together, they formed a powerhouse team at One Motion Music, creating a nurturing environment for musical experimentation and growth. The crew's relentless work ethic and Masicka's natural talent quickly garnered attention, leading to his first television appearance on Hype TV in 2009. His stellar performance secured him a recording session with Equinox Music, resulting in the hit song Ano Sometime. Masicka's collaboration with Equinox and other top-tier producers continues to flourish, marked by mutual respect and a shared vision for his unfiltered talent. His rapid ascent has caught the eye of established dancehall icons like Idonia and Vybz Kartel, who recognize Masicka's potential to make a lasting impact on the industry. The buzz surrounding Msika is undeniable. His growing fanbase spans Jamaica and beyond, with a significant online presence on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and local party sites like datmad.com. Soon, his music will be available on One Motion Music's website and iTunes, expanding his reach even further. Masicka's journey from a single-parent household in Sin City to a rising dancehall star is a testament to his relentless drive and innate talent. His lyrics, rich with vivid storytelling and clever wordplay, reflect his life experiences and resonate deeply with fans. Upcoming features in prestigious publications like the Jamaican Gleaner and the Weekly Star newspaper are just more milestones in Masicka's illustrious career. Through it all, Msika remains humble and dedicated, committed to delivering quality music to his fans and making a lasting mark on the dancehall scene. As his star continues to rise, one thing is clear: Msika is here to stay, and the dancehall world is all the better for it. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.